Want to start recording your Nintendo Switch gameplay? I'll show you how step by step. First, make sure your Switch is updated to the latest system version. Screen recording only works on supported games, so check that too. Next, grab your Switch and look for the capture button. It's the square button on the left Joy-Con below the directional pad. To take a screenshot, just tap it once. To record video, hold the button down for a few seconds. The Switch automatically records the last 30 seconds of gameplay. After recording, go to your album. From here, you can trim, save, or even share them directly to social media like Twitter. And remember, not every game supports video capture, so if it doesn't work, that's why. But for supported games, this method is super quick and easy. And there you go. Now you can capture and share your Nintendo Switch moments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.